Let's do this. Alright guys, how's it going? Hope you're all well. Just in a cave at the moment, as you can hear. Can't really see anything. It's a bit dark. Bit muddy as well. You can get through the top, but I'm not going to climb up there because it's a bit too muddy. Scary. I don't know how far it goes. A bit wet in here. Right, let's see how far it goes. I'm gonna get ready here. Why would you come here and leave litter? Idiots. Oh, crawling through there. Never scary cave. Can't see a thing. You see the torch, it's alright. Anyway, hope you're all good. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a month, but I've got my reasons, so I just took a little break. So I'm back now. Anyway, let's get on with this video. Yes, this one's only small. And some ropes. Whoa. Safe to say, I'm not climbing up that. No way. Let's go into the next bit. Oh, this one's massive. I won't be climbing up there either. Let's have a look over here. Nothing going on there. Whoa. Nice. Don't mind abseiling down that. I don't know if you can hear it in my voice, but I get very nervous in caves. Don't think there's anything in there. No, it doesn't go any further than that. Right, let's go down for coffee and some food. Whoa, that was close. That was close. Nearly couldn't have any more kids then. Oof, that was lucky. So I slipped on a log, slipped in the cave, probably slipped down a mountain next. Right, I've gone and made a bit of an error. Well, not a bit of an error, a massive error. So I bought steak, bought asparagus, bought beef tomato, bought cheese and crackers, and I forgot the alcohol. Gutted. And I don't mean the alcohol as in beer, I mean alcohol as in alcohol stove. I've got the stove, but I haven't got the alcohol to go in it. There's loads of wood to make a fire, but I don't really want to draw attention to myself. Plus there's a lot of dry needles from the pine trees, so I don't want the place going up. It wouldn't do, I'd control it, but I don't want that on my conscience, don't want grief. Right, let's have a coffee anyway. Good start. Cheers. Ooh, that's hot. It's too hot. I'll have to drink it in a minute. Well, too hot. Nice views, yeah. So we've got the little arm over there. Alright, let's go and find this trig point. I can't remember if I said before, but those caves, Tanner Ogof caves, I showed you 3 of them. I think there might be 4, I might be wrong, I don't know. But yeah, Tanner Ogof caves, Rhyd y Foel mountain, in between Abergele and Llandulas, not far from Hughes Castle. I've showed you that before in a different video, but I come a different way up this time. So, yeah, great views around here, honestly. Such a nice mountain. Well, hell. But there's a lot of litter. There's a lot of litter last time as well. I brought a bag, so I'm going to grab a few bits to take home with me, but it's just so much. It's too much to take in one go. Right. Let's try and find this trig point. Made it. Woohoo! Cheers to Dave Outdoors for the sticker, for winning the photo competition. Cheers, mate. Right, in my last video, I had Chinese. Heated up a Chinese. Don't know if you've seen it. Have a look. Aberfoles. Top of Aberfoles, proper random, having a Chinese, cooking a Chinese up there. And like I was saying, I don't think anybody else would have had one up there before, and I think you're probably going to agree. So might as well go with the randomness and do something similar again up here now. Right, let's do it. Think you'll agree, it doesn't get much more random than that. Cheese and crackers, Stilton and crackers up a mountain on a trig point. Loving it. Broken crackers at that. Right, let's get this bad boy down me. Yum yum. Nice. Dancing on top of a mountain with a knife in my hand. Doesn't look good, does it? Right, cheers to the cheese and crackers. Love Stilton. Sorry for talking my mouth full. Right, come on, let's crack on with this before it gets dark. Right, I'm going to call it a day with this video now. Thanks for all my subscribers, up to 254 now, which I'm well happy about. So thanks for all of you and all your comments. And your private messages as well lately, wondering where I am. Yeah, so I'm going to go now, but I'm going to dedicate this video to my mum. It's her 60th birthday today, so I've got to get off anyway. I've got to go and pick her up from the pub. Well, she's gone out for a meal and a drink, so she's not a pisshead. Right, it's happy birthday, mum. This is for you. Ta-ra.